This demonstration we're going to look at configuring our certification authority for automatic key archival. Now the reason why we want to do this is we don't want to lose any of our certificates. For example, the encrypted file system allows us to encrypt data for our users, and if we do lose the keys then potentially the data is unreadable. So what we want to do at this point here is we want to configure a thing called a key recovery agent. Now this isn't turned on by default, so we do actually need to enable this. So I'm just going to come to my tools. I'm just going to go to my certification authority. And in my certification authority here, I just want to look at my certificate templates. So if we come to certificate templates, what we're looking for here is we're just looking for our key recovery agent. So if I just right click at this point here and click on manage. If we have a look down here, we do have our key recovery agent. So just down here, so if we right click at this point here, we can have a look at the properties. And what we can see under the properties here, if we just come to the security tab, what we can see is domain admins and enterprise admins have the ability to read, write and enroll the certificate type. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click cancel. Next thing we need to do is we just need to issue this certificate template. So I'm just going to close down the certificate template console. I'm going to right click at this point here. I'm just going to go to new and click on a certificate template to issue. And I'm going to scroll down a little bit just to find our key recovery agent. So here it is here, so we'll just select it and select OK. And what we've done there is we've just configured a CA to issue certificates based on the key recovery agent template. So the next thing we're going to do here is just launch up a Microsoft Management Console. So I'll just go for mmc.exe, maximize this up a little bit, and what I need to do here is I just need to add the certificate snap-in. So come to File, add remove snap-in, and then what we'll do is we'll go for certificates and select add. We're going to go for my user account. I'm currently logged in as administrator, so we'll select finish. And we'll select OK. Alright, so if we expand this up a little bit, we'll go to personal. As you can see, there's no certificates currently, so just right click and we will request a new certificate. We'll select next. We'll select next again for our Active Directory enrollment policy. And we'll scroll down, and what we're looking for here is we're just looking for the key recovery agent. Once we've done that, we'll select enroll. Now that's all done, we'll select finish. And now we'll just verify that we have enrolled that certificate. So we'll go to personal, we'll go to certificates, and we can see that we do have a key recovery agent. Next thing we want to do is just archive this key. So we need to go back to our certification authority snap-in. So we'll just get rid of the certificate snap-in. And then on our certification authority snap-in, what we'll do is we will just come to the properties of a datum root CA. We'll then just click on the Recovery Agents tab. Next thing we're going to do here is archive the key. We'll select Add. And we'll select the administrator one that we've just created. Now we've done that, we'll just select OK. And we will restart the Active Directory certificate services. The other thing we'll do here as well is what we did a little bit earlier on in an earlier demo. We actually created another certificate template. So if we just have a look at this, we'll manage this. What I created in an earlier demo was the Exchange User Test 1. So what we're going to do here is just double click on this to open up the properties. And then what we're going to do here is we're just going to come to the Request Handling tab here. And what we want to do is we just want to archive off some of this information as well. So we're just going to leave this tick turned on for include symmetric algorithms allowed by the subject, and we'll also archive the subject's encrypted private key as well. And now that's done, we'll just select OK. And what we've done here is we've just configured our CA to allow us to archive certificates. And that's the end of this demonstration. Thanks very much.